Hello traders and future millionaires, if you are on your journey to achieving financial freedom, then you are 100% in the right place. In my previous video I showed you how to identify breaks of lows or highs and then take the trade in the opposite side, and this was between sessions. Now I'm gonna show you the same exact thing but from day to day. Make sure that you watch the whole video because here on ChrisFX even the things that we are showing for free can help you achieve financial freedom. Let's begin with the video. And traders, if you haven't watched my previous video, go ahead and click on the top right of your screen right now and watch the previous video. It will help you a lot in understanding the current video that I'm making right now. But just to recap very quickly, we had those sessions which you can find by going on the indicators tab and then go to sessions, type sessions on chart by AUROX AAF, click on it and then go ahead in the settings and copy those settings as you see them on the screen right now. Once we were doing that, in the previous video I was showing how we were expecting not the highest or the lowest point as people are showing, but just a high or a low to be broken, and once price was going back into the range on the 5-minute time frame, then we were taking either a buy or a sell. Now I'm gonna show you almost the same exact thing, but this has to do from day to day. So I will show you how to look at the market in a very different manner than other people are showing you currently on YouTube. And I guarantee you that you will not find any better ICT trading strategies rather than here on ChrisFX. And before I begin, if you want to become part of those successful traders who have joined my mentoring or academy or signals, then go ahead and subscribe right now. There is no better and cheaper service out there. Let's go ahead and continue. With this video, I want you to be identifying the lowest this time and the highest area from the previous day. And then you will be expecting in the current day that we are right now for price to live above the highest or below the lowest point and then close with the candlestick right below. Now in this occasion, of course, we see that we closed with this huge bearish candlestick that we see right here, so no trades will be taken, but I will be showing you a couple of more examples such as this one right here. We identify the lowest point, which is this point, and the highest point from the previous day, which is this point. So now, what do we see right here? We see price living above the highest point and then coming back and closing within the range. In the previous video, we would be taking the trade instantly. In this instance, because we are looking at this major liquidity, we will also be looking for a change of character. So we have a break above, a break below, and now we're looking for a change of character of the lowest point, not a change of character right here. This lowest point, we want it to change character. The trade would go exactly right here, the stop right above the area, and then you can target areas such as this one, such as this low for a 2.3 to 1 RR, a fixed 3 to 1 RR you can do, or of course you might be the greedy type who wants to go all the way down and target those lows, which would never happen in this occasion, but if you do that, I suggest that you close profits along the way. Now let's go ahead and check out another example. Okay, we have done this day right here. There is this day from which we broke the lowest point. And here, the lowest point was broken, and once we closed back into the range, which is this candlestick, we also at the very same time had the change of character happening beforehand. So what you can do right now, you can take the trade either instantly here or from this breaker. If I zoom in, there is a breaker block, which is exactly this point right here. You can be taking now the trade right here with a stop loss right below this area and then go and hit your targets. In this occasion, if you wouldn't have a fixed rule to move your stop loss to break even, you would be hitting a 1.7 to 1 reward to risk, and for the rest you could be stopped out. Let's take this now right here. The lowest point, actually the lowest point from this one was this week right here, and the highest point is this point right here. What do we see? We do see the same exact thing. I want a full body to break above, a full body breaks here, not this tiny thing. I want a body like this one, then we break below again. What did we say? We will not be entering instantly, we need to wait for a change of character. In this occasion though, the change of character happens all the way down here, so the trade should be taken somewhere around here or even from this breaker block, which is exactly this point right here. Now the stop loss, if we are to follow the same exact rules, should go above this area, and then in this occasion you would be able not only to hit the low of the day for a 3.6 to 1 reward to risk, but for those of you who are very ambitious, you would have gone all the way to a 10 to 1 reward to risk. I am gonna show you one more example, and let's take this example exactly right here. I will be identifying my highest and lowest points again. The highest point is being broken. It is being broken, and then where do we see the retracement back in the range and the change of character? Exactly right here. Where did I tell you to take the trade? From the breaker. The breaker is right here. Take the trade here. Of course, you don't need to have this stop loss all the way up here as I'm teaching it here. You can have the stop loss right above this area if you want. It is absolutely fine. Price, more likely than not, is not gonna come back in this area. You hit a 3.6 to 1 reward to risk. So you see that trading is way easier than you think. Of course, it is tough to control your emotions. Trading is easy if you have a very good teacher, and I have proven to help my students again and again. So do not miss any single day and go ahead and join my programs. I am a transparent and a legit trader, and I will teach you how to trade the way I'm trading. And now guys, if you do not have the time to trade, I have good news for you. There is now the copy trading program, which is absolutely for free. You don't need to spend one single cent on me. You just go ahead, deposit your capital. It is not for funded challenges or funded accounts. You just deposit a certain amount that you want to deposit. I trade our capitals, and we just split the profits. This is the way I'm getting paid. You don't need to pay a single cent. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.